How to test and check cable charging on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and then tap on the Samsung folder. Next, we tap on the Members app. Then tap on Diagnostics button. Now tap on Phone Diagnostics. Then scroll down. In here, tap on Cable Charging. Now we need to plug in the charger cable, so tap on the test button and then connect to your charger cable. If the phone is charging, it should show the status normal and it will tell you the charging speed. So my charging speed here is super fast. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.